Hey everybody, it's Kevin with Interstate Explorers. We are in Smoky Mountain National Park and we're going to be fixing our outdoor Bluetooth speakers. Alright, so this is a situation we're dealing with right now. We're just kind of hanging out in the Cherokee KOA, which is just outside of the Smoky Mountains National Park, having just a relaxing evening. And we're talking about buying a grill, and then I was showing Jessica the liquid propane port, which is right there. But then, of course, next to it, oh, what is that? And so we're gonna have to fix that right now. So what this is this is the outdoor speaker. It must have fallen off in the drive at some point, so shouldn't be too hard. We'll just need to re-screw these things back in. Also, as you can see, our Black Ride override valve tank hatch is opened up again, so we'll have to once again fix that thing. All right, so we'll be back with the results. All right, and we're back literally 30 seconds later. That was actually really easy. I've just got this Black & Decker automatic screwdriver. Nothing fancy here, and what I did was I just loosened each screw, and then after that I started here, drilled this one back in, drilled that one, and then this is good to go. So I'll be back tomorrow. We've got about a 3-hour drive, and we'll see if this thing is still intact. All right, so let's go figure out the exterior speakers right now. So let's go over here. Now the exterior speaker location is right down here, and I know this because this actually popped out on our drive, so I had to actually drill it back in. So just make sure that you watch for it. That's going to be the exterior speaker location. When you get your Brinkley, this is going to be attached right here. So if you're going to bring the camera over here, so you actually just pull this like thing out and you just take this off, and it's simple. So this is just a dial. You turn it on, power, and then it looks like you can connect to Bluetooth right there. You can do an auxiliary, or this comes with like a USB thing, so you can probably do that too. But let's see if we can get this thing connected. So we're looking for that one. You'll see there it is right there. Passcode. I'm guessing this is probably just a generic passcode, so we'll see if this works. 0000, pair it up. Looks like we're good to go. Let's play some music and see if this works. It works. All right, there it is. Appreciate it.